The Flashforge Adventurer 4 3D printer is a machine that is capable of printing with ABS, PLA, and other materials. It has an enclosed build chamber and a heated bed for improved print quality. The printer also has a modular design, so it can be easily upgraded in the future. The Adventurer 4 3D printer is designed to be easy to use and maintain. It has an enclosed build chamber that helps protect the machine from dust during the printing process. The printer also has a heated bed for improved print quality and modular design, so it can be easily upgraded in the future. The Flashforge Adventurer 4 3D printer is a versatile, high-performance machine that can handle any type of project. The printer offers an easy-to-use interface that is perfect for new users and experienced makers alike. The printer is capable of printing in ABS, PLA, PVA, HIPS and more. The Flashforge Adventurer 4 3D printer is a great choice for anyone who wants a reliable printer that can be used for any type of project. The Flashforge Adventurer 4 3D printer is an excellent introductory model for those who want to start printing their own 3D models. The Flashforge Adventurer 4 3D printer is a great entry-level printer for beginners. It has a simple design and easy-to-use interface, which makes it perfect for those who are new to the world of 3D printing. Check some reviews on Amazon. Click the link in the description. Thank you for watching.